Hello, in front of me I've got FOSSiBOT F101. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. At the beginning, let's go to settings and now enter security. Go to screen lock, and as you can see right here we've got 5 types of screen locks: none, swipe, pattern, pin and password. We are going to use each one of them to unlock the phone. Let's start with 2 non-security screen locks, which are none and swipe. And now let's select password. To create it, enter 4 characters. Next, let's select pin number, and to create it, enter 4 digits at least. In the end, let's select pattern, and to create it, connect at least 4 dots. Once it's done, let's go to biometrics. Our first biometric is face unlock. Select it, and now simply scan your face via front camera. Now my face is scanned, I can use it to unlock the phone. In the end, let's select fingerprint unlock. And to set it, simply scan your fingerprint on the fingerprint sensor located on the power button. Tap the sensor multiple times and each time try to adjust the fingerprint position. Tap done, and you can use fingerprint to unlock the phone. And that's basically it for unlock methods. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.